Hi folks, Mitch from Livewire Telecom back here again to do another video for you about APN settings. We did a previous video where the point of view was from a desktop. In this video we're going to show you how to reconfigure your APN settings from the Huawei Mobile Hi Link App. So if you don't have access to a desktop, if you download the Hi Link app, you can always reconfigure your APN settings manually through the Huawei app for those of you who don't have that. First things first, in this video we'll be using the same device as we used in the previous video, which was the E5573. Just a very quick recap on our situation. We've put in our SIM card. In this instance, it's a SIM card where it's not pulling through the APN settings onto our device, so we have to change it manually. Make sure the SIM card is in. It's a full-size SIM card. Battery is in, and turn your mobile broadband device on. The next stage is to make sure you get the Huawei Hi Link app onto your handset. A couple of ways to do it. In the quick start guide that comes with the mobile broadband device, it will have a QR code where you can scan it with your handset, and that will auto direct you to downloading the app onto your handset. Another way is obviously just a very quick search of the Hi Link app on the App Store and downloading it onto your mobile device. Once you've got the app on your phone and you've got your mobile broadband device all set up, on and ready to go, we're going to log on to the Wi-Fi or the SSID that your device is transmitting before we open the Hi Link app. So we've got the mobile broadband device on, we've got our Hi Link app on our phone, and we just want to connect to the Wi-Fi, the mobile broadband device's Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi name and password in this instance on the E5573 is on the back cover of the device. So you've got your Wi-Fi name and password there. That is the default name and password. In this instance we haven't changed any settings. It is open out of the box in its default settings. So that's where you can locate the name and password. And once connected, we open our Hi Link app, and I will talk you through what I'm seeing on my mobile phone right from the beginning, from a default scenario of both the app and the device itself. Talk you through the quick setup process and then how to change our APN settings so that we can start surfing the internet. So first things first, I've opened my Hi Link app, and that is the screen we are going to start on today. Alright, so once we've opened our Hi Link app, the first lot of details we'll need to just check through is privacy notices. We just scroll through that, click next, click agree. This will open our main screen. If I swipe right, 3 tabs, it just shows us some of the Huawei Hi Link features, and once we scroll through those we can go ahead and click start. And it'll talk us through the brief setup process of our E5573 CS-322 device. As I've mentioned in a previous video, I always recommend checking the auto download option. Again, it just keeps our device firmware up to date and bug free, and I think that is best practice. So I've checked my box. I'm going to go ahead and click setup. And for this demonstration, I'm going to leave all of my login details as the default, the generic. There is one thing to keep in mind. The very last option at the bottom there says use the Wi-Fi password as the device's login password. Again, you want to uncheck that if you do want to create your own. In this case, I'm going to tick it just for ease of access through this demonstration video, and then click next. Again, for yourselves, if you do want to customize your device at all, please feel free to obviously go and custom create your Wi-Fi name, password, and your device login password. Okay, so that's all set up. You can go ahead and click start to access the mobile application's home screen. And you can see here it's got a set plan, data used. We've got 2 tabs at the top, device and tools. I click across, that gives us a few short links on where we can go to the different features of the device app. For this video, we're going to change our APN settings. So we want to head over to the top right hand corner of our application from the screen. It's a little picture of a blue cog, and we're going to select that, and you've got 3 options that now load. We want to go ahead and click the middle option, network, and the third option down, APN. We want to go ahead and select that. Brings us to our first, very top one. It says O2 pay monthly. We want to go ahead and create a new APN profile. We can do this by selecting the plus sign in the top right hand corner, and that'll bring us to 4 blank fields of our APN settings. We used a giffgaff SIM card for this demonstration, so we're going to go ahead and create our new giffgaff APN profile. So our first one, in the name, we're going to write giffgaff. In our APN, we're going to write giffgaff.com. In the username, we're going to write giffgaff again, and the password we are going to leave blank. And we have saved that. You can see at the top we've got our giffgaff APN. It says connected, it's there, and our device should be working correctly now. If I scroll all the way back to our home screen, we can see that we've already started to pull data through. We've used 20 kilobytes, and we can see that there is now data traffic on our mobile broadband device, and we are ready to surf and browse the internet. Thank you very much.